Eggs are amazing. They are packed with nutrients. Many people wonder, can I eat 2 eggs a day? Is that healthy? The answer is yes. 2 eggs a day can be very good for you. They have vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients keep your body working its best. But remember, everyone is different. Talk to your doctor. They can tell you what's best for your body. Get ready to discover the power of the incredible edible egg. Eggs are a protein powerhouse. They are one of the most versatile and nutritious foods you can include in your diet. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs can be a delicious and easy way to get your daily dose of protein. 1 egg has about 6 grams of protein. That's a lot. This protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. Including eggs in your meals can help you meet your protein needs without much effort. Protein is essential for your body to build and repair tissues. When you exercise, your muscles undergo stress and minor damage. Protein helps repair these tissues, making your muscles stronger and more resilient. It helps you stay strong and energized. Regular intake of protein-rich foods like eggs can improve your overall stamina and vitality, making it easier to stay active and healthy. Think of protein as the building blocks of your body. Just like a construction site needs bricks and mortar, your body needs protein to build and maintain its structure. You need it for muscles, bones, skin, and hair. Eggs provide high-quality protein that supports the health and strength of these vital parts of your body. Including eggs in your diet can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant you. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins and are necessary for various bodily functions, including muscle repair and immune response. Your body can't make these essential amino acids on its own. Therefore, it's important to consume foods that provide them. Eggs are an excellent source of these essential nutrients. You need to get them from your diet. Incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods, including eggs, can ensure you get all the essential amino acids your body needs to function optimally. Eating 2 eggs a day is a great way to boost your protein intake. Not only are they convenient and easy to prepare, but they also offer a host of other nutrients like vitamins and minerals that support overall health. So make eggs a staple in your diet and enjoy the benefits of this incredible food. Eggs are bursting with a vital nutrient called choline. This nutrient is essential for many bodily functions and is found in abundance in egg yolks. Choline is a superstar for your brain. It plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health. It helps with memory, mood, and even muscle control. Whether you're studying for an exam or hitting the gym, choline is there to support you. Pregnant women need even more choline for their developing babies. This nutrient is vital for the growth and development of the fetal brain. Choline supports healthy brain development in the womb, but that's not all. It also contributes to the formation of the spinal cord and other critical structures. Choline also helps your liver function properly. It aids in the metabolism of fats and prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver. It even plays a role in reducing the risk of birth defects. Ensuring adequate choline intake during pregnancy can lead to healthier outcomes for both mother and baby. 2 eggs a day can provide a significant amount of your daily choline needs. Incorporating eggs into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your choline intake. So, crack open an egg and give your brain and body the choline boost they deserve. Enjoy the benefits of this powerhouse nutrient with every bite. Section 4, I Spy with My Little Egg Vision for a Lifetime. Our eyes are one of the most precious gifts we have, allowing us to experience the world in all its vibrant colors and intricate details. Did you know that eggs can help protect your precious eyesight? It's true. Eggs are not just a versatile food item, they're also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your eyes. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining eye health and can be found in abundance in the yolk of the egg. These powerful nutrients are concentrated in the yolk. When you consume eggs, you are essentially giving your eyes a protective shield. They act like sunglasses for your eyes, shielding them from harmful blue light. Blue light, which is emitted from screens and electronic devices, can be damaging to your eyes over time. Lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. This condition can severely impact your vision, making it difficult to see fine details and read. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. By taking preventive measures, such as including nutrient-rich foods like eggs in your diet, you can help protect your vision. By including eggs in your diet, you can give your eyes the nutritional support they need to stay healthy for years to come. So, next time you enjoy an egg, remember that you are also taking a step towards preserving your vision for a lifetime. Section 5. Heart-healthy habits, cracking the code to cardiovascular wellness. Many people worry that eggs are bad for their heart. They think eggs raise cholesterol, but it's not that simple. Eggs contain cholesterol, but it's mostly good cholesterol, HDL. HDL cholesterol can actually help protect your heart. Eggs also have nutrients that support healthy blood pressure. They may even reduce the risk of blood clots. Eating eggs as part of a balanced diet can be good for your heart, but remember, moderation is key. Section 6. Weight management wonders. Eggs to the rescue. Trying to lose or maintain a healthy weight, eggs can be your secret weapon. Eggs are very filling and nutritious. They keep you feeling satisfied for longer. This can help you eat less throughout the day. The protein in eggs also boosts your metabolism. This means you burn more calories even at rest. Adding eggs to your breakfast can be a great way to start your day feeling full and energized. Section 7. Skin deep, hair strong, unveiling the beauty benefits of eggs. Eggs are not just good for your insides, they're also great for your outsides. Eggs contain biotin. Biotin is a B vitamin that is essential for healthy skin, hair and nails. It helps your body produce keratin, a protein that strengthens hair and nails. Eggs also have amino acids that support collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin firm and elastic, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. So, eating eggs can give you that healthy glow from the inside out.